For this video, I'm going to talk about some techniques you can use to skim read a paper, a book chapter, or anything else that you might want to get a general sense of fairly quickly. Before I start, I want to emphasise that this is just one way of reading a piece. A skim read is designed to give you a general overall idea of what a piece is about so that you can then decide which bits you want to read in more depth. Just because you can skim read doesn't mean that you have to skim read absolutely everything, but it is a useful skill to learn. So first of all, grab the piece of text that you're reading. Read the abstract, if there is one, and if there isn't, read the introduction. These should both give you a general sense of what the piece is going to be about, what the authors did, what they're trying to argue, prove or disprove, and briefly how they went about doing that. Once you've read that, if there are any charts, tables of data, figures, images in the text, spend some time looking at those and working out what they're saying. In fields that generate a lot of data, for example, things like economics or psychology, people spend quite a long time on their figures. They're quite fiddly and they work to make sure that they show the data off. So that's giving you a lot of information that this particular bit of text is important. So spend some time looking at that. If there aren't any figures or images or charts or tables in your text, have a look at how else the authors have decided to break the text up. Are there subheadings or headings in the text? Are they using bullet points? Are they putting boxes around things? Use those signposts in the text to help you move through the text, particularly if something's in a box. That generally indicates the author thinks it's important, so spend some time on it. Once you've done that, read the discussion section or the conclusion. What did the authors find? Did they answer their question, for example? If they didn't, why didn't they answer it? That quick skim read will give you a sense overall of what the piece is about, what they did, and what the authors found out, and you can then decide what you want to spend more time on. For example, if you've looked at charts and tables of data, you might want to spend a bit longer working out how people got that data. If the conclusion doesn't match the introduction, then you'll probably want to know why that is, and so you'll go back and read the paper in a little bit more depth. The idea is that you're using your time wisely on the important bits of the text and skimming over the bits that are less important for you. So there we go, that's a quick introduction to skim reading. If you're interested in more reading techniques, you might be interested in the Reading Critically video that I've just done, or in attending our speed reading workshop. If you've liked this video, I hope you'll click subscribe for more skills videos, and I'll see you next time.